Imagine this. You receive Rs. 10,000. What would you do? Option 1, put it in the bank. Keep it safe. Option 2, invest it somewhere. Let it grow. Now here's a simple question. If saving is safe and investing is risky, then why do people say you can't become wealthy just by saving? And that's exactly where most people get confused. Saving versus investment. Which one is actually better? Today we're going to answer this question not just with numbers, but with psychology, real-life examples, and simple storytelling. From childhood, we're taught just one thing: save money. Piggy banks, pocket money, gift envelopes. Everything teaches us to save. And honestly, that's not wrong. Saving builds discipline. It teaches control. It protects you from impulsive spending. But the problem begins when people start believing saving is enough. Let's take an example. Ali saves Rs. 20,000 every month. He keeps that money in a bank account. After 5 years, he has Rs. 12 lakh. Sounds good, right? But there's a hidden problem: inflation. That same Rs. 12 lakh won't have the same value after 5 years as it has today, which means Ali is technically losing money, even though he is saving. And that's where confusion starts. If saving still makes me lose value, then what's the right approach? Let's understand this with a simple metaphor. Saving and investing are two different ways of treating money. Saving is like putting your money to sleep. Investing is like sending your money to work. What happens in saving? You store your money in a safe place, like a bank account, cash, or savings account. The risk is almost zero, but the growth is also almost zero. Now what happens in investing? You put your money into assets, like stocks, mutual funds, businesses, or property. Here, there is risk, but there is also the potential for growth. Let's look at a simple example. The same Rs. 10,000. If you save it, after 5 years it might become Rs. 11,000 or Rs. 12,000. But if you invest it, with an average return of 10-12%, it could grow to Rs. 16,000 or Rs. 18,000. And that's just Rs. 10,000. Now imagine investing every month. This is where a powerful concept comes in. Compound growth. Your money doesn't just grow. The returns also start generating returns. It starts small, like a snowball, then slowly gets bigger, and eventually becomes unstoppable. But then a question comes up. If investing is so powerful, why doesn't everyone do it? Because this isn't just a money game. It's a mind game. The human brain naturally prefers safety. The fear of losing money is stronger than the excitement of gaining it. This is called loss aversion. In simple terms, people feel more pain losing Rs. 100 than happiness gaining Rs. 100. That's why saving, safe, comfortable. Investing, uncertain, scary. And whenever there's uncertainty, the brain says, stay away. There's another problem too. Short-term thinking. People say, I invested, nothing happened in 3 months. Or, the market went down, I'm in loss. But investing is not a short-term game. It's a patience game. My money is safe. Investing gives delayed reward. I take risk today, I grow tomorrow. And humans naturally struggle with delayed reward. That's why most people keep saving, and a few people move ahead by investing. Now here's the most important part. Saving and investing are not competitors. They are a team. The purpose of saving is protection. The purpose of investing is growth. If you only save, you protect your money, but you don't grow it. If you only invest, you take risks, but ignore safety. Smart people do something different. They create balance. For example, emergency fund, saving. Long-term goals, investing. Saving protects you from stress. Here's a powerful analogy. Saving is a seatbelt. Investing is the engine. A car can't move with just a seatbelt, and driving without a seatbelt is risky. You need both. So the real question is not, is saving better or investing? The real question is, how much should I save and how much should I invest? Here's a simple framework. Step 1, build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is your safety net. Step 2, don't let extra money sit idle. Put it into investments. Step 3, think long-term. Treat investing as a 5-10-year game. Step 4, start small. Don't wait for the perfect time. Step 5, consistency, amount. Regular investing beats occasional big investments. And most importantly, control your emotions. Markets will go up and down, but your plan should stay stable. Let's end with a simple thought. Saving keeps you safe. Investing moves you forward. If you only save, you survive. If you invest smartly, you grow. And life is not just about surviving. It's about growing. So the next time money comes into your hand, don't just ask, should I save or invest? Ask this instead. What is the job of this money? Some money will protect you, and some money will work for you. And once you understand that difference, money stops being just something you spend. It becomes a tool to design your life. Saving gives instant satisfaction. Investing gives you the chance to build your future.